Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel, my new house tour. We've been here since the end of June. I'm still working on it. The whole house is like tile and wood floors. We had not a stitch of carpet. So that I think has been the most difficult thing, is finding new rugs and things for everything. So there are some rugs that still need to be found and pictures that still need to be hung. But I wanted to just show you guys the outside of the house real quick. I know a lot of people don't do that, but I'm not going to show my address or any division, or y'all don't know where I am, and I don't care. So I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all the front, because I really love what we did to the front of the house. My daughter and I love gardening, plants, y'all know that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that, and then we will come into the house. So allow me to go ahead and get the camera ready so y'all can see the front of the house. Hold please. Okay, so it's windy out here. I apologize, but I just wanted to show you guys the plants, everything that we repotted and replanted out here. There was really not much going on out here. So, before I go in, so this door was like a brown, ugly color, sort of the same color as this trim, but we did repaint the trim, and I painted it black, and I love how it turned out. We are wanting to get a new door, but I think I like the door now. I didn't like it before because it just looked sort of outdated, but painting it black did wonders. Okay, so this is when you walk, of course these two, who have been loving the house. They love all the windows outside so bad. Anyway, so this is the entryway, which I have also decorated for fall. A rug. It is, like I said, hard to find rugs. But anyway, this is the entryway. Let me go ahead and turn on light, or turn around so y'all can see. Hopefully it's not so dark in here. You guys can see the entryway here. So all the decor. I've been having so much fun decorating the house, and you can see the door from the inside here that I painted. So let me loop back around for you guys. So this is when you walk into the front, into the house. So everything is open living here. So you have these 3 huge windows here, and then another big one here in the kitchen area. So we still need to mount our TV. We're gonna go ahead and mount it up there, which is why nothing's over the fireplace, but I still need to figure out what I wanna do with the something with the fireplace, because I don't like the tile and the color. So I'm trying to figure that out. But anyway, the TV will go up here. We'll mount that there, and then I'll do something with the fireplace at a different time. But anyway, this is our living room so far. All the walls are sort of like a shade of blue-gray, which we love. Didn't have to do anything with the paint besides in the bathrooms. The bathroom's paint was absolutely horrible. It was almost yellow. And here is the kitchen. So we had the house, or somebody come in and paint all the cabinets in the house. I painted the island myself with the same shade of paint. All the cabinets were this yellow color cabinet, like that oak color, and I'll insert pictures. And we absolutely hate that color for cabinets. My husband and I both agreed that was something that we did not like, but it's, you know, cosmetics. So we went ahead and had the kitchen painted. This almost like a blue gray. We love it. Love how it turned out. Again, same tile that's in on the fireplace. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that yet, and we will eventually have the cabinet or the countertops changed out. But for now, they are in really good shape, and there's no reason to touch those right now and waste the money. But anyway, yeah, this is the kitchen. All Samsung new appliances when we moved in, which was amazing because, you know, stuff's expensive. And here is a pantry next to it. I don't know if I want to open this because it's a mess in there, but it's pretty good size. Pretty good size pantry in there. Here is the dining room, and we have a back porch. We have a beautiful view out in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll have to go out there. Beautiful view out in the back, and there is, I've been joking, there's like this huge mansion right there. Take you guys out to see in a second. But anyway, so this is the overview of the living and kitchen from this viewpoint. Of course, the cats love laying in the window on their little beds. They get to sunbathe all day. They love it. Anyway, here is the overview of the living room from the back door. Oh, sorry, here, this is a laundry room, guys, in a garage. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. It's not anything particular, it's just a laundry room. Nothing super interesting about that. But anyway, there's the kitchen, and all these pendant lights were already here, which we absolutely love. Although these little, you know, see the little trims around them? This one didn't have one when we moved in, so I actually found the same one on Amazon and was able to order it, and my husband went ahead and installed it. I don't know, it's sort of weird, but the weird things you notice. Let's go ahead and go out on the back porch. So we are gonna have this back porch enclosed. We actually are just waiting for them to come in, the contractors to come in and completely enclose the back porch so the cats will have an outdoor space to go to. They are going crazy, so this will all be enclosed into a screened in porch that we love. And yeah, there's the view. See if I can zoom in on the mansion for you guys. These houses up there are absolutely beautiful. So I claim that energy. I claim that money that they cost up there. That's mine. Because I have mansions on the hill that makes me rich, or something like that. Anyway, people laugh at me when I say that. So yeah, this is the backyard. It's not huge, but we don't have small children anymore. We don't need a lot of space. And all this walkway was here before, and Xavier and I, mostly Xavier, built her greenhouse. If you guys want a tour of her little greenhouse, it's so cute in there. Let me know. And she's in the middle of rearranging things, but we can do a tour of that. You know, my daughter is an amazing gardener, and she loves to grow succulent cactus are her favorite. And so she's in there living it up with her little greenhouse. But anyway, so this was all here when we moved in. So completely concreted in with gravel. So we will here have a gondola out here, so we'll be able to come out here and enjoy this space. But this year, with the expenses of buying the house and moving and all that, it just sort of was something that we didn't do just yet. But we will be out here hopefully next summer and it up, so more to come on that. Anyway, this is the back of the house. These are the 3 windows into the living room, and then right next to the living room is our master bedroom, and those are the 2 windows that go into our master bedroom. So we will go ahead and go there next, I guess. So the master bedroom is the first room here when you enter the hallway. So if I can say a few things about the house that I sort of wish was different, was I wish that the master wasn't right here off the doorway or the living room. I do like that it's like there's a hallway, but I wish it were a little more private. But I guess it's fine. The only one that lives here with us is Xavier, and she's 20. She's, you know, she stays in her own room and all that. So, but anyway, the rooms here are a little smaller than the houses we've rented before, which is fine. We wanted to make sure that we had a bigger, more open living space, because this is where we spend most of our time. And we love it. This is perfect. Everything that we wanted on our wish list we got in regards to the living and dining area. But like I said, they work for us. So our bed and our couch and everything fit in here. So this is our master bedroom. So you can see the walls are sort of like a blue gray. The girl that you can see me in the mirror in the bathroom. I guess the lady that lived here before, the realtor, is grandmother of the husband, and his wife, I guess, was obsessed with like blues and grays, which I actually was sort of pleasantly surprised that I sort of liked. My husband and I both like the color of the walls in here, especially because they're different. But I do like it, so I was able to go ahead and get some bedding that sort of matches, sort of like a moon phase theme, if you can see in here. Installations. This is something I got for my husband in our anniversary last year or 2 years ago, and it's basically a quote from a line of our wedding vows, and then like where we got married and like when we got married. So this has always been like one of my favorite quotes to our wedding vows, and it's, "I choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality. I'd find you and I'd choose you." And then of course we are huge Game of Thrones fans, so "You are my sun and stars, and I am your moon of my life." So anyway, but yeah, so I am a Cap, and of course my husband's an Aries. So anyway, so that is that. So this is from the bed. This is the other wall here. TV, nothing spectacular. And we've had somebody come join us. Anyway, so this is our master bedroom. Like I said, with the rugs, this rug is completely too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a bigger rug that will go up more under the bed. I'm having a hard time finding a rug that I like, and they're so expensive. So I've been holding off on buying a rug, but anyway, this is too small for now, and we know that. Okay, so you guys will see me walking into our bathroom. So this is what I've just recently completed, and it's still sort of a work in progress. So you can see the cabinets are the same color as the kitchen cabinets. We had them paint all the cabinets in the house the same color. And these walls in here were a yellowish color. Can't really see in here. The walls now are like a gray color. And I went ahead and took the towel rack down and hung that shelf. And we just got this mirror, which we still need to mount on the wall, which is why that's up so high. So this is the shower, the bathtub area. Still working on it. Still need to find like something for the window, but I do love that I was able to do that dark blue that matches our cabinets on the inside of the window, and I love that. Here is another cabinet that they painted over the toilet. So all these cabinets, like I said, are the same color. So once you turn around this way, this is our master closet, which I'll just take a quick view. Like my husband makes me, I want to be a better person in regards to keeping my side of the closet organized, because he is super obsessed with keeping his side very meticulously straightened up and organized. So yeah, that is the closet. Good side closet. We love it. These cats, I swear, are following me all over the house, you guys. And I'm not excited about these mirrors and the lights because they're sort of, I don't know, dated to me, but that's a huge thing to tackle, and it sort of makes me nervous. So I think what we're gonna do is frame it out. I'm gonna do with the lights, hopefully maybe change out the light fixtures at some point. But that is basically all I wanna do left here in the bathroom. I'm very happy with how everything changed, or how everything is looking now. So let's go ahead and have these kitties follow us to the next location. Turn off the lights. Okay, so this is the hallway. Here is a huge closet. I'm not gonna open that. So this is the view from down the hallway. Here is the bathroom, the hallway bathroom. My daughter's bedroom is here. We have an extra room here, which will be our guest room, and my husband's like catch-all room. He'll have some stuff in there if he wants to set it up. And at the end of the hallway is my office. So we'll stop here in the bathroom that we just finished. So I painted the walls in here the same shades. The cabinets are the same shades. And I just got some new decor for the walls. And we're gonna do the same things in here. I'm going to frame the mirrors with the same color cabinet frame, and then do something with the lights at a later date. But anyway, this is the hallway or Xavier's bathroom, and I will show you guys what it looked like before. We love, love, love the way the paint turned out. We love how it coordinates with the cabinets. Love it. And I painted the walls here in the bathrooms. And yeah, I love painting. It was fun. Peek in very briefly. My daughter's room's in there. I don't want to go in there, but she's got the huge window. She's got her plants and stuff in there. So that is her space. You guys know my daughter is an amazing artist, and these are some of her pieces that she did her senior year, and all three made the show. And of course, you see this one is first place. I just love the way that they're framed and the way that they look, so I always display these in the hallway. So that is that. So this room, I'm not gonna like go into too much. As you can see, it is a disaster. We're using it as a cat room right now until we get the outdoor area filled in and relocated all this. And so we'll have to get this together soon, but this is a really good size room for my, for a guest room. And it has those really dark colored walls again in here. Like, I think these wall colors are the same as in the laundry room. It's like a dark green gray. I really like it. I really like these colors. Here is my office, guys. The wall color, again, like a dark gray, green. It looks more blue-gray on film. Yeah, this is my office. It's a little smaller, like I said, than the last one I had, but it can fit everything that I need in here. I have all my books in here. I have some of my like shirts and things in here. My mirror. This plant's usually pushed over, but I have it open because I was doing other things this morning. One of his favorite places in the house. This is where I get dressed or do my makeup every morning. And the closet is huge, but it's a mess in there, guys. I got all kinds of shit in here. But the closets are really deep in all the rooms. I have my Alex drawer with all my makeup. And yeah, it's a mess. But anyway, this is the other view, guys. I still need to figure out what I'm going to put on the walls here. I need to reorganize some things because filming, I've noticed that this is not a good setup. You guys can't see a lot of this. So I need to reorganize all this. And then I still occasionally work from home a couple days here and there. So all of my stuff for working from home is still set up. And yeah, my ring light's there. And that is it. So I will go ahead and go out and give you guys like a slow pan of the room. And that's it. The house isn't huge, guys. We have enough space for us. There's enough rooms for us. It's just me and my husband and Xavier. And she's not going to be here for much longer. She's, you know, plans to go to school and move out and all that. So we don't need a lot of space, but it's perfect for us. That is the tour of the house. But I love coming home every day. Like, I love our house. I love the space. I love the neighborhood. It's amazing over here. That is it. That's a tour of the house. We ended up, gosh, I seen probably 20 to 25 houses, but it was mostly me looking at all these houses, taking videos and sending them to Will. We probably put offers on maybe 10 houses or so, and it was in June when the market was absolutely crazy here in Texas. This house fell into our lap, so we are so lucky that we got it. And this house was on the market for like 12 or 17 hours or something like that before we came and seen it. The people, I think we were the first people to see it, and they had pets. They didn't want to do like a lot of showings. We closed on this house in 20 or 21 days because we had to be out of the other house and they were not being very nice. I have a whole story time if you guys want to hear about my ratchet ass realtor from the other house that we left. She put us through some hell and back before we moved out of that house. So if you guys want to hear about that, comment below and let me know, and I can do a story time, because I have never, in all the times that I've lived in homes and rented homes, dealt with a realtor or a realty company or rental company that was as ratchet as they were at the end. So anyway, if y'all want to hear that, comment below and I'll go ahead and make sure to record that for you. But yeah, that is it. That is the house. That is what we've been doing. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.